So here we are again today, working on some knobs, cabinet pulls for the bathroom that we're trying to finish out. So you'll see we're going to measure out kind of 1.5 inches on the end. We'll isolate that down, upset it into kind of a diamond pull, and then we'll cut it off from there. So follow along. I hope you enjoy. I use the center punch to mark out the steel to my 1.5 inch length, and then from there I'll be using a 3/8 kind of a round bar just to help isolate, and that gives me enough room because that's going to stretch as I go through the upsetting process. So as we finish up here, we got a couple of these knobs turned out. You can see we have the kind of 1.25 inch on the side with kind of the diamond facet. You can kind of see how the two different ones came out. Fuller section isolating with a base where it'll be attached to the cabinet. I still got to drill and tap hole through the end to attach it to the cabinet. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit subscribe down in the corner below.